What's good, bro? I just wanted to ask you some questions because you succeeded. You made over 800K views now in 4 days. How much sales did you make?
hmm
Like how much
I
money?
made around like 6,500.
Oh, okay, okay. In 4 days, it's crazy. And I'm just giving you
Yeah,
some
it's good.
questions so the people could know what you've been through and everything. So, who are you?
So I'm just like regular 16-year-old, in the ecom space. I'm just trying to make money online. And I've maybe been in the ecom space for around half a year now.
Half a
And
year.
then I was in the Discord community where someone recommended me, you.
Yeah,
And then I got to know you. We talked and then,
yeah.
yeah,
So, yeah, that sounds cool. So, how much sales did you made when you were alone?
I don't know. I think the most I made was around like 200 in a day,
Okay, okay, okay.
250 somewhere there, but it was not much.
But you didn't had a system.
No, I didn't have a system. I was just trying to copy my competitors, just like see what worked for them content-wise,
Okay,
and
okay.
just try to implement it. And I mean, it did work a bit, but just, not good
Yeah, but
enough.
not stable. So you've been into the ecom space for a long time now, and before you joined the mentorship, what was the biggest struggle for you?
Um, Biggest struggle for me was definitely marketing,
Yeah,
100%. Because I mean, you can have an amazing product, but if you can't get traffic, no one's gonna buy it. So
yeah,
I was just definitely struggling. I never was into marketing. I was more into like the other stuff with like product research and like building up the store. I was always really good in that, but marketing was like this part that I sort of left behind and didn't think much about. But that's actually like by far the most important part.
yeah. So you did regular videos or slideshows back in the days?
I was doing a lot of videos. I didn't even think of slideshows for
Okay.
my niche because my competitors were doing um, videos, so I
Hmm.
just also did videos.
Okay, okay. You're in the tanning niche, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's cool. That's cool. A bit different angle, but also the things I preach with the transformation things. It's cool that you did it because I knew when you were starting with me, you were a bit like, uh, how can I explain it? You were a little bit scared. You didn't fully committed to the method, you know. So now you believe the method works, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
100%. It works.
Yeah, that's crazy to hear. Like, did you ever think slideshows are like the meta? Like,
Mm, I kind of knew it would sort of, I knew it had potential, but I just didn't know how to implement it for my niche.
uh
And you sort of helped me out and gave me that guide and helped me implement it into my niche.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. And what are the things you want to do next? Like, what was your biggest next goal? Because right now it was like 4K in 4 days, right? Your first, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So my next goal is definitely run more accounts, keep up the momentum,
yeah,
keep scaling, maybe run up some agencies, start clipping campaigns and really like scale it.
yeah,
That's my
yeah,
next goal.
yeah. And why you didn't like, why you needed help? So when you got the click and said, yeah, bro, I need help.
Um, I just saw people were buying my stuff,
Mm-hmm.
but I just couldn't continue it and I couldn't like get to big numbers. And I knew like, okay, I need to like, step up my marketing. If I was just not really getting views, but I knew people were buying it. So I knew there was a lot of potential. I just need the views, I need the traffic. So that's when I was like, okay, I need to actually like, I need help.
Yeah, 100%. So, for the people watching this video now, what would you recommend to do? Like, is there any mental thing you would tell them? What should they do? What they shouldn't do? What should they avoid? Like, if there's a new beginner currently watching this video just to get some sauce, what would you say he should focus on, what he should avoid? And yeah.
Mm, Before you like start with anything, think of like the marketing aspect. Like, okay, how am I going to market this? Before like thinking about setting up the store and all that stuff, think of like marketing wise. Like, look at your competition. Look at like slideshows, for example, has been working really well. How can I implement this into slideshows? So just always put like marketing first priority,
Yeah.
because without the traffic, you're not going to get any sales.
Yeah. And for the
That's my
mentally
advice.
part, like which mentality you need to have for scaling a e-com business. You're a beginner now, but I think you got now a bit of experience because now you can scale. So for the person that does like one sale a month, zero sales, which mentality should he have?
just stay disciplined, keep going, do not give up. Because I have myself gotten shadow banned. I've created multiple, like I don't know, like more than like 10 accounts, and I have like just seen no results, but I just kept going,
Mm-hmm.
and eventually it worked.
Okay.
So just keep
Yeah.
going.
So the people shouldn't stop. I think that's the
No,
most
no, not at
common
all.
thing. Most people just stop. Like they get a little bit of momentum, they don't know how to play it out, and then they're just gonna stop and say organic doesn't
I
work.
mean, for me, it was the same. Like I had my stuff set up, it was working, but then it was sort of like dying off, and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna move on to the next product.
Yeah.
But look, I sort of
Yeah. Fuck
stepped up my
switching
marketing, and
products, bro.
it
It's
kept on
just the
working.
marketing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You were switching products back in the days?
Yes, I
Oh,
did. I
oh,
think I had like two, three products in the past, and I just did marketing, and I think I just tried like two accounts. If they didn't work, I just switched to the next
oh, the
one.
next
Biggest
product.
mistake, probably.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. No, no, that's not the method. Yeah, but good that you changed it, you know. So
Yeah.
from my side, I don't have like any questions because it's gonna be a short video. But if you want to say something, like anything that comes to your mind that other people like value, if you say it, just say it.
Let me think of something. Mm, like I would say, do not like be scared of competition. Like if there are like two, three competitors out there, do not think like, oh, I'm not allowed, I won't be able to make this product, I can't like sell it. That does not exist. Like if you can outperform them,
Yeah,
like, you can sell anything you want. There can be
100%.
10, 20 competitors, 20. If you can just do better marketing, do it better than them, you will succeed.
Yeah, 100%. That's a good mentality. I think everybody should have this mentality of I can outperform anybody if you put the work in. And for the mentorship, what was the most valuable thing for you? Was it the one-to-one calls? Was it the private community, like the WhatsApp thing we have? Is it, I don't know.
I have not gotten too many insights on the WhatsApp community, but definitely the one-on-one calls have been the most value.
Okay, okay, okay. So, yeah, uh, I think this would be the call. It was my first interview now. Just gonna upload
Thanks for
this.
having me.
Huh?
Thanks for having me.
Easy,
First
bro.
one.
Easy, bro. Easy, bro. So, yeah, see you, bro.
Thank you. See you.